cruising. Coming at you with something different today. We are going to Bowling Green, Kentucky to the Liquor Barn, a huge liquor store. And they give beer, wine, and spirit tastings there for a great cost. Come experience with us. And yes, we did go to the casino afterwards, but that'll be another video. And we apologize in advance for anything used during this video. Enjoy. We just keeping it real. All right, we are at the Liquor Barn in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Getting ready to do some what, bruh?
Day drinking.
Day drinking. Let's do it. Okay. So they don't have the wine tasting right now. And we're gonna see what they got. Okay. Hello.
All right. How's everyone doing?
Good, how are you?
Brought my brother in here so he can sample some of your dark taps.
Dark taps?
Some of your brews.
Yeah, we got a few of them up there right now. I remember what all we got. We got Dragon's Milk, we got Guinness, we got an oatmeal stout, a Russian Imperial stout. Got quite a few things.
Got another light on tap.
I hope so. We'll have to think.
You don't want to try to get you a taste of something different, bro?
Tap is way different than.
Let me go check on this real quick because I know.
Oh, that caramel apple cider. Page 2, second column.
Going over to the casino after this.
I think that's on his to-do list.
We right here.
While we share, since we share,
Shit, we right here.
I think I'm gonna try this Wheezing the Juice Dragon Passion Fruit. Alrighty, thank you,
How
sir.
fast you think you drink it?
As fast as I want.
Oh, not.
Seriously, once you try it, it's gonna go down quick.
Oh, really?
I might want to jump on another one of these. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, okay. We're gonna get you another. Since you're here. Ooh, it smells delicious. Smell it. It smells like apple cider. Look at this. Don't be a menace in Western Kentucky while drinking this Imperial Malt liquor in the barn. I didn't say taste it. I said smell it.
It's good, though.
So now, oh, they got the street side Return of the Mac Pumpkin Spice.
They got that on there?
Uh-huh.
Man, somebody with this shit.
Yeah. They got the Don't Be a Menace, Return of the Mac.
Man, that shit is contemplating.
Lexington Brewing Liars and Lambs.
Just fill me up, man.
So
The Cider Boys Caramel Apple Cider.
You want me to
Nah, don't
fill it up?
Put it on top. I'm old school, man. I don't sit on top of that.
That's
You
good
gotta
right
do
here.
foam, nothing.
He right, this gonna go fast.
Sweet.
There it is, right there.
Makes it easy enough
They
for
got
me.
the Country Boy Big Blue Raz.
I'm a veteran.
You ain't want the Big Blue Raz?
I was ready to slap about
Please, sir, can I have some Big Blue Raz cider and Oliver Twists?
When I
Y'all,
was a
this is
kid,
5
we
points.
lived out
5%.
in Salt Lake City.
Yeah.
And
my dad
then-
he'd get wine drunk, and we'd be out there
Wine
with little
drunk.
kids. He'd be like, "I'll come here,
And
lock us,"
then-
and be like, "Here's a little wine."
This is what I had
I'm like,
earlier.
all right, let's start out young. That won't change me any.
If your age,
I don't even remember.
because I'm wheezing, all your
Yep.
grindage just
Take it
chill.
to my son. His mama look.
I like it. Okay, my bro, I got this little bitty glass. He got that big ass glass. Excuse me, he's got that big glass.
I'm a good
and
drinker.
he's trying to catch up with me, who didn't start with as much as he did. But this right here, oh, I almost thought you kind of got your pinky up on that. I really felt like I did something just then, but
One thing you forgot is I'm a beer drinker.
y'all, this caramel apple cider
I'm a real
right there, the one with the little apple on top, fire.
I'm a beer drinker like a motherfucker.
That's good, crisp, clean.
And no caffeine.
You know what would be fire with this? A nice apple, like what do they do to the apple?
It is apple. It's apple cider.
Yeah, but like a apple ring in there with some caramel, like
Set it on fire and shit.
like where it's been cooked
You need
Glass.
the caramel pretzels.
with like
something.
no, I need an apple with some cinnamon and
She want a TV drink.
caramel
She wants the dude up there
smoked apple in
She
there.
wants the dude juggling the pen thing.
That'd be
Then he
fire.
fucking sit
I do
on-
not want that.
Sit the glass down, shoot the glass down the aisle, and it's got.
Well, that
fire
would be
in it.
nice, but that's not what I want. I mean, because this is cool, crisp, and then if it just had some brown sugar, cinnamon, apple, that's been like, just, I can't think of the word, not sauteed, but yeah, I'm blinging. And stuff.
You gambling.
Oh my God, blinging, babe.
Damn,
Yeah.
when these
Oh,
ones just
yeah,
covered
babe.
all that.
I'm like, you gambling. You ain't rambling.
I bought
you
the
gambling.
band. You're losing.
Let me take y'all day drinking asses right up out of here. Got a purple ring, you kid?
Ooh, I want the. Ooh, they got the rock hard candy. Club soda. I want you to buy it for me, babe.
What?
Ooh, strawberry and cream Dr. Pepper. Oh yeah, with the moonshine. Okay, yeah, babe.
At least you know where they at now.
No. Here,
What?
get these on your way out.
Why?
Thank you, because you love me.
Why am I getting these?
Because you love me. Yeah, they got the packets. Buzz ball. Ooh. Strawberry Rita. Strawberry moonshine. Oh shoot. Of course, Crown Royal's gonna be a little bit more. Y'all, this is so nice. I like these already prepackaged. Apple vodka crush. Ginger ale, apple juice, Tito's, and Fireball. Dang, should have got that. Ooh. Island Wave lemonade. Crown. Oh, and that. Oh my gosh. $16. So that's at a more higher price. So cool. At the liquor barn. We are at the liquor barn
Dun, dun, dun.
in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Marine.
You would think I'm already drunk.
Love it.